What features should be mentioned about Zpana car OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Durable material. This automotive diagnostic scanner is made of ABS material. ABS material has high impact strength and toughness, which can maintain good impact resistance even at low temperatures. This characteristic makes the automotive diagnostic scanner made of ABS able to withstand certain external forces and impacts in the process of use, which is not easy to damage, thus extending the service life of the equipment. Wide application. This automotive diagnostic scanner has good compatibility with many types of vehicles on the market, including cars, SUVs, pickups, light trucks, and more. It does not work with vehicles that do not meet the OBD2 protocol. It has a compact design with clearly labeled buttons and a large screen for clear display of results. Please make sure this automotive diagnostic scanner is compatible with your vehicle before purchasing. Easy to use. This automotive diagnostic scanner has a plug-and-play design that makes it quick and easy to use. All you need to do is plug it into your car's port and turn on the ignition to get instant access to your vehicle's status. It comes with a large screen with an intuitive and clear interface that displays real-time engine parameters. Comprehensive diagnostics. This automotive diagnostic scanner has full OBD functionality with multiple fault code lookups, quick engine troubleshooting, engine fault clearing, fault freeze frames, I/M readiness. Vehicle information, real-time data streaming, real-time graphs, oxygen sensor test, 9. EVAP test, fault code lookups, CAN performance test, battery voltage test, high brightness full view display. Keep engine in good status. This automotive diagnostic scanner provides fault analysis and inspection methods to help you determine why the check engine light is on. After the fault is repaired, it can quickly clear the fault code. If you want to find out why the check engine light is on, this device will let you know immediately and fix the problem right away without the need for specialized automotive knowledge. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.